Hello YouTube. So today we'll be solving the first question in the must-do interview preparation series, that is missing number in an array. So the question goes something like, given an array of size n-1 such that it can only contain distinct integers in the range of 1 to n, find the missing element. Alright, so for this input n equals 5 and array equals 1 2 3 5, we have to output 4 because 4 is missing in this array, and similarly 9 is missing in this array, so we have to output 9. Okay, so and also we have to complete, it's expected for us to do this particular program in ofn and the auxiliary space of ofn. So whenever you have questions such as missing numbers and etc., you can probably think about using XOR, because in XOR we have this interesting property such as A XOR B XOR C till Z. Let's assume this as XOR 1, and then we have something like A XOR B XOR C till Y equals XOR 2, and then once we have these two results, XOR 1 XOR 2, and then if we XOR these XOR 1 XOR 2, the result is going to be this missing element from the result is going to be Z, because Z has been missing from this array, but it's also included in this array. So you're going to have the missing element here. This is one interesting property in XOR. You can work on the math if you're interested, but then for the time being I'll be solving this question using the same approach. So essentially what we need is to XOR values, XOR 1 that's equal to 0 and XOR 2 that's equal to 0, and once after this is done, we're going to run through the initial array. And then we're going to call XOR 1 with the elements in array, right? And once this is done, we're going to iterate from 1 till n. So we're going to iterate from this range and also XOR everything in that range. So it's going to be something like I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and XOR 2 is going to be XORed with all the elements in the range 1 to n. So after this is done, we simply just need to return XOR 1 with XOR 2, and this should solve the question. It's taken some time. Alright, cool. We got the correct answer, and the execution time is 0.89, so this is fairly good score, and this I believe is the easiest of all the methods to solve this question. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel as it helps me grow, and also tap the bell notification so that you don't miss out on further videos. Thank you.